Hello, 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 hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
So guys, welcome back to another video. I'm at the most happening event over here, the Comic Con, which comes once in a year. It is an event full of people, you know, Avengers and everything, and Spider-Man, Batman, and every hero is involved in this event, man. It's a nice event. I'm going to quickly take you to the stalls and let's go crazy in the event. Let's go. What will come by?
Darth Vader.
Not Darth Vader. Oh, good samurai. Bro, I can take your sword. Is it real?
3D. This is one is normal and this is the lightsaber.
Okay, the lightsaber. Okay. Yo,
You want
meeting the
lightsaber
Darth
on?
Vader, man. Star Wars. Yes.
So here it starts is giving you your photo prints, your amazing memory from Comic Con 2025.
Oh, guys, he's doing something. He's
You
showing
can
me
just
something.
keep your picture in your.
So, oh, the sword. Brother, give me.
90 second only. Just select the
Oh,
size,
the Darth
capture your
Vader.
moment.
Alright, everybody, I'm right here at Maruti Suzuki Arena, and
Yo,
in the next few minutes, we are about to start.
you?
It's an anime character.
Anime character. Ah, I love anime. I love Dragon Ball Z and everything. Yo. You are? Toga. Toga in the bear.
This is the cosplayers.
Toga in the bear.
So, all the cosplayers that are
Toga, Miss Toga, Miss Ninja Toga.
Alright, we got
Oh my god, he ate me alive. Hey, is eating or smooching? She's from a game. I love games. Yeah.
I forgot the game name, but yeah, she's one of my favorite characters. She's like pretty cool, and of course the gameplay and stuff.
Looking skeleton mask and the hair is good look. Huh?
Thank you.
Nice. Where are you all from?
Maruti Suzuki.
Goregaon. I'm from town.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah, enjoying the good vibes. Good vibes. Yes.
Have a nice day.
Yes, have a nice day. Brother is Kakashi, man. Naruto. What's your favorite character, bro, in Naruto? Kakashi. Mine also. Always happening. He's the coolest. He's the coolest guy. Naruto, I don't like. Sasuke and Kakashi. Yeah.
I love Kakashi the most.
The most. Welcome, Ram. Spider-Man is here. Welcome to Comic Con. Hello, how are you? Which character? Pancho. Pancho.
Everybody,
Hello, Mr. Mask Guy. What's up? How are you? Where are you from? What is this character? Caitlyn. Okay, Caitlyn. Go, Caitlyn. Pose for the camera.
you want to go second round slow motion.
So guys, Swift, Maruti Suzuki Swift is here.
We have
And there's the whole event.
You do a very own slow motion video.
Crunchyroll, One Piece is over there.
Also, make sure you check your
Crunchyroll.
for
Guys, there is another Maruti Suzuki Swift ahead. Brezza. You've got toys.
for you, and you can use your
You've got Viz Media toys. You've got Marvel ahead. Guys, you got Marvel goodies. Guys, there's a bonkers corner there with lots of t-shirts and hoodies and everything for sale. Guys, this is the Yamaha. Oh, there is a Yamaha also over here. Check it out. Oh, this is the blue R15, the new one, the version 4.0. Guys, they have lots and lots of t-shirts over here for sale, and they have toys and stuffs and goodies, all Iron Man toys, Spider-Man toys. Guys, lots of hoodies here. There's a stage. There's a stage over there. There's a whole setup on the stage. There's how to train your dragons over here. Hello, brother. What's up? What's up? How are you? What are you becoming today?
I'm playing Sukuna.
Sukuna. Bro, this Samurai Jack is better.
Samurai Jack, I haven't seen it. It's very old.
Yes, but you know about
I
it.
want to watch it.
Okay. Yes. Oh, web slinging, guys, web slinging. Yeah. Oh, yes. Yo, how to train others. character are you? But this is fully you are ready for something. Yeah? Okay, okay. Then you enjoy the function. Yes. Take care. Give me this also.
Oh no, it's actually wobbling and it's the light is not working. So I'm
Okay,
not
okay.
handling
So you raise it high.
Yeah,
I'll share it with you.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Yo, we have the power to rule darkness. Batman, you are carrying a good look. Very angry you are. Yo, I also have body muscle man. Yo, nice muscle.
He's
President, President Loki. Oh yes, you are looking like him, brother. Even me too. Yeah, let's do something together. Hello, brother. What are you?
Zoro from One Piece.
Zoro. Okay. Guys, let's come, YouTuber. We will collaborate. Yeah, give me one knife. It's hard for you to hold.
You can take this. I have
Okay, fine. Yo, my katana.
you have to hold it like this.
Okay. My katana. Removing my katana, bro. You.
Statue of God from Solo Leveling.
Oh my God, you go all the way up, bro.
Yes. Grab the
Directly.
power.
Oh, she has the power of Lord.
It's according to me. If I choose you to be in this system, you will be.
Okay, let's go. You're scaring me with your look over there. It's a very sarcastic look.
Yes. Aura for me.
Nice, brother. Nice. Enjoy, Mr. Vince. Yeah, meeting the angels of heaven who lives on the clouds.
Technically, they are evil demons.
Evil You look like angels, but
Demons.
oh my God! So demons,
They're always looking pretty.
demons in their dark caves, residing in their dark caves.
They came out to rule the world.
Yes, to rule the world.
I'm more destruction. Lord of destruction.
And you know what I am? The Lord of Thunder, Thor. Yeah, I should have become Thor here for this event. Hello, brother.
Hello.
What are you playing?
Drawing is scary.
You are looking super scary and you want to play a game.
Why not?
Game GTA 6 is coming.
I know.
I'm going to buy a 120-inch screen for GTA
wow.
6. Yes. Mr. Wolverine. Mr. Wolverine, where are your claws? Logan is here. Oh, the gun, bro. Like, give me the gun. Oh, yes. Engaging target. Engaging target. Kill the target. This time.
Go ahead.
तो है भाई. Yo. What are you, brother?
I'm a dragon.
You are a dragon. I'm very scared of this look, bro. I'm getting scared to my soul, bro. With the big wings, probably.
Or the magic stuff.
Oh my God! Don't do magic on me.
Oh, I already did.
Oh, that's why I feel funny already.
Yeah.
1 minute 51 seconds here.
So guys, there are people here playing games and everything. It's about like you can win something while playing the game. There's a large collection of DualShock wireless controls and like there are like anime prints all over it. Guys, check this white blue thing out. There's a PS5 portable also. This is the new PS5. Oh, this is the character of Naruto? Yes. Is this the one who gets punched in the face by Naruto? No. Then this is the guy who is the main villain. Oh, after pain, the one who comes. Okay. Video clip. You are a character, right? What are you? You are a female. Yeah. What are you thinking? Okay. Jessica. Okay, nice. Brother. Yo, guys. Jessica and Spider-Man, bro. 100%. Yeah. Bro, let's see whose Kamehameha is better, bro. Come on. Sa me ha. Like, you know, I'm a big fan of Dragon Ball Z. Like long back, I used to like love that thing. You know, I'm so old. Like I'm 30 now, but still I love Dragon Ball Z. And when I see him, I felt like the same vibes. You know, like the last vibes, the Kakarot vibes. Yeah.
And that's why you're here at Comic-Con.
Yeah, I'm here. I go to every event to enjoy, so I just come. Yeah, as a hobby, I vlog also, and like I enjoy with the people and socialize and
That's
everything.
amazing. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much. Yes. Guys, these are for the gamer delights over here. Look at the PC setups, man. Look at this. With the GeForce RTX and everything. And the pink LEDs. Guys, like, look at this PC, man. Fully charged. Liquid cooled, I guess. Guys, there are more PCs for gamers inside. See, there are the full PCs and this is the full gaming setup. Like the chips and all, GeForce RTX 5070, and like everyone's playing games over here, guys. To my man Z Crazy Vlogs. Z Crazy Vlogs. Yeah. Yeah, guys, with the best here, best of the artists. Yeah.
Subscribe to MZ Crazy.
Yeah, very good. Listen to the lady. Yeah. Now, what are you character-wise?
I am Neon from Valorant.
Okay,
We
nice.
are from the same game.
Oh, nice. Enjoy the function, man. The bow and arrow is very big.
Boy is a personality.
Oh, nice. But there should be a bow also, yeah, to hit it.
Energy arrow.
It's energy arrow.
दादा तनीष की
Oh,
आरती बढ़ती जा रही है.
Blast. Play for 3 minutes?
Yeah, you
Yeah. Okay. So guys, I'm trying out a game, very old ancient Indian game. Let's see. Let's play for 1 minute. What is it? Brother is going to help me.
So this is your controller.
Yeah, okay.
आगे और आएगा.
Okay. ये कौन सी जगह है?
आगे अंदर. हाँ. See, now there are some pillars. You have to climb them. So you can go to that pillar right there. Press it. Perfect. Keep going up.
Even temperament, even though your life is
Hey!
a lot of ups and downs. Every day is a new adventure. And I like it. I
It's
like what
very
it is.
close.
That's why I chose. I think what you need to do is really develop a
thank you
thick
so much,
skin, but
thank you
also
so
be
much.
sensitive. I know they're opposite things.
Z Crazy Vlogs, my channel.
वो मैं देखा है.
अरे सच्ची में?
यूट्यूबर है.
Yes, brother. You have to say, हाँ, वैसा ही, वही phone में. Brother, this is very angry brother over here. He's like, what you said?
मैं 200 रुपए का पाव भाजी है.
Oh my God, 200 रुपए का पाव भाजी बेच रहे हैं लोग. What is this, man? Guys, please
Thank
subscribe.
you.
Please subscribe. Z Crazy Vlogs. Raiden's wife.
Thank you.
Am I right? Raiden's wife. Raiden Mortal Kombat.
No, I'm
The-
from Soul Eater.
You are from Soul?
Soul Eater.
Okay, I don't know that, but looking, your vibe is very good.
Thank you.
What is this? Big weapon.
My sword.
Yeah, this is bigger than you.
Yeah. My character is a kid. He probably can't even pick it up.
Oh, okay. So you are that character. Okay, but I like the sword. It's a wicked looking sword.
Thank you.
Yeah, oh, Mr. Fantastic. And Rogue from X-Men. I think. No, I know that Brickman, then Fantastic Four, that Fireman. Fireman is the coolest, that is me. Oh, Fireman! We have Fireman as well. Guys, who I met over here, my long lost friend, bro, Arbaz. And Varun also. What's up, bro? What's up? So guys, we are enjoying over here. And they have something to say for me.
I really love his channel. I really look forward to his channel, and I love all the videos. I've liked all your videos. I've watched all your videos.
Oh, that's so nice, bro.
All your vlogs. And I would recommend everybody to like and subscribe to your
Please subscribe to my channel. Listen to Arbaz, the bro and the dude.
Crazy. Crazy.
Yo, the most excited Spider-Man over here. Bro, where's the webs?
Yes, sir.
Nice energy.
Tissue.
Yeah, you're
Tissue
matching my energy.
Tissue.
Yeah. You're matching my energy, brother. What character are you for the short clip?
I am playing Bruno Gasa from Merainiki.
From Ereniki? Oh, I don't know about it. Can you explain something about that?
It's a horror anime in which she becomes a yandere and kills everyone.
Horror anime and kills everyone. Oh, I like it. The killing character.
Yes.
Brother, enjoying the Comic Con event, man. Lots and lots of good artists here. Like working artists, good artists, man. Enjoying the show.
दो महीने लगे इसे बनाने में
Okay.
और हर दिन मैं सोच रहा था मैं क्यों बना रहा हूँ. I wanted to quit every day, but don't quit.
Don't quit. Never quit.
Never quit.
I'm with you.
Yes, that is the motto.
Yeah, that is the motto, guys.
Be- have
Never
pride,
give up.
Have pride, have honor.
Yeah.
Become a samurai.
Keep a hand on my shoulder.
And
Yes, because you're a Barbie doll. Why you don't like that comment? Okay. Enjoy.
many which
With the John Wick. अरे ये कैरेक्टर है ना कोई नहीं आज कैरेक्टर में खुद ही कैरेक्टर है Towards the end of the event, towards the end of the Comic Con event, John Wick is here with blood on his face. There's a character who's hiding also from us. There's a character in real life. Oh, it's all genuine about her.
How genuine?
Guys, I'm going to kill this Deadpool. Oh no! Oh, he doesn't die. Oh, these are really sharp, man. Die, man, die. No. Oh, continuing the vlog with some very cute 3 girls. They have something to say for me.
please subscribe to his channel.
Let's go. Yeah. ब्रदर अभी डिविस्टेशन होने वाला है भाई हाई स्कोर क्या है हाई स्कोर 994 और उससे ऊपर जाता है काटा उससे ऊपर जाता है चालू करो ब्रदर क्लियर उठा लो बाबा Yo, and show me some other poses, brother. Oh, he has a gun now. From a knife, he has a gun, bro. Oh, nice artist over here. Nice artist over here at Comic Con. What's your name? So good looking. Take care, Yashasvi. Hello, guys. Hello, Mr. Frankenstein. Mr. Frankenstein, the Wiz. Oh, Wiz, Comic Con pose. Comic Con. What's up? Nice artist over here. Enjoy.